If you are looking for the ultimate stainless steel cat litter box that truly will last a lifetime, you are going to love this box I was just gifted from Cattasaurus. Now, I have tested a lot of stainless steel boxes, and this is the first one I have come across that is pretty much all stainless steel. Most of them still have a plastic lid. Many of them still have plastic scoops. There are usually still elements that are going to break over time or collect odors. Because this is all stainless steel, it's not gonna break and it will not collect odors. It may get smudged, it may get a little dented, but this is built to last. Let me show you what you get here. Now, to start off with, you get this really nice scoop. It has a wood handle, metal scoop section, really nice and open, will do a fantastic job. And it does have a little clip on the side so you can hang it wherever you want and it's gonna hold on nicely. And then you have the outer litter catch. Now, this is a stainless steel pan, so if any litter falls into it, that will not collect odor, but it does have a plastic top cover, so this could break down over time, though this is really well made, and I really like how nice and even it is. My cats normally jump over any litter catch because they don't want to jump on them. So many are not very sturdy, not very well made, whereas this one is well made, and it's really nice and solid to push on. And then we get to the litter box itself. Now, before I take this apart, I just want to show you that it is all stainless steel, including an additional catch right here that should catch most of the litter coming off your cat before they even get to the secondary catch. It does have this slight rubber line around it, and that's just to cover where the steel is cut, just to keep your pet safe. I really like that it has high back walls, so if you have a scratcher, it will keep it more contained. And if you don't want this at all, if you don't want the top, you can just take it off completely, and it just latches on the sides. So just unlatch them with the stainless steel latches. And then this comes off completely. This not only makes it very, very easy to clean if needed, but also you can just put this aside and use this as a wonderful open litter box if that's what your cat prefers. Now, with that off, you can keep this catch on or remove it. This catch is also all stainless steel, no odor absorption here, nice and solid. It does have a little bit of a bend. I can feel that if I really tried, I could actually bend this, but a cat's not gonna bend this. It is gonna stick around. And then the key piece is definitely the Cattasaurus main base. This is what you really want to see. Really nice and deep, good size. I like the length. It could be a little wider, but there's always a challenge with these boxes and how much space do we really have to give to a cat litter box. And the one reason why these boxes are so large is really just so we adults have enough time to clean them before our cat gets grumpy because it gets too dirty. They can handle a smaller space. My cats mostly use automatic litter boxes these days, and I'll tell you right now that those are half the size of this, and my cats have no issue with them at all. So this is a great size. It should fit any kitty. My kitties are 15-pounders. So this is a fantastic size, really, really nice all around. Let me fill it up with some litter and show you it close up. Now I've added some litter to it, really, really nice and clean. And I love that now I can add all the elements to it, from the front litter catch to the litter catch that goes on the litter box itself to the full top with really nice latches that aren't going anywhere. And I love how easy it is to scoop, really, really accessible for me and for my cats. This is one fantastic litter box.